Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix your Shopify store speed or how to make it fast. So first of all, just open up the Shopify and log into your account and you can see I am currently on my Shopify account. So the first thing I'm going to do is simply click where it says apps and you have to search for this page speed optimizer. So I would actually recommend you to use this app as well because it's for the first of all it's really easy to use. I'm just going to click on this app right here. Just install this app and then open it up. After you have downloaded this app on the Shopify like app section, then you will get to this page right here on the app. So just scroll down and you can see it says like this: improve the speed of your store and increase conversion by switching this on. So just switch this on. Basically what happened now is that your store is now faster, so you can now go into your store and then check your speed, because hopefully this app will actually fix this issue for you. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.